Hello, Dr. Nicole Mashburn, and this is going to be a short orientation video to tell you about the course and how to navigate and find things. So you have signed up for the online Anatomy and Physiology 1, so Bio 201. So everything in this course is online, and everything in this course is delivered through Blackboard or a mastering homework site. And I'm going to show you both of these in this video, and then you'll have some more detailed videos later on about how to navigate mastering and to actually prepare and study for your exams. So if you've logged in and watching this video, then you found the Start Here page. When you log in each time, it will take you to the announcements page. Be sure to look at the announcements each week so you will see what's coming up and get important information from your instructor. So again, you should be taken to announcements by default, but if not, all you do is click on the announcements page and it will take you there. Okay, so now we're on the Start Here page. This is the first thing you do the very first week, and you can read about what the course is about, and it tells you to watch the video, and then it tells you to read the syllabus. Okay, so for you to be counted present for the course, you have to read the syllabus and then take a syllabus quiz. So your syllabus is located in this folder, so click here. And you will see a college syllabus and a course syllabus. Okay, so let's click on this college syllabus briefly. I'm not going to read it to you, but this is where you would find overall attendance policy for the college. You would find student conduct, cheating, plagiarism information, disability information. So anything that's required by the college. So this is the same regardless which course you're in. Everyone at Calhoun has this same college syllabus. Okay, now the course-specific syllabus, this is the stuff that relates to my course and not the college. And so you need to read both of them. And in the course syllabus, again, this may not be yours, depending on which semester you're logging in. You'll have your instructor information, office hours, information about the course and prerequisites, the textbook, how to log into Blackboard, into mastering, their instructional method, which everything is online, a testing policy, I'll go over that in just a minute. How we're going to grade, how many grade exams you have and what their point value is, what we're going to learn in the course, what your assignments are, how to go into announcements and keep up with your assignments, your attendance policy, makeup policy, be sure to read the makeup policy, and how to communicate. So again, I'm not going to read the syllabus to you because I know you guys can do that. But just be sure to read it. So before you email me and ask me a question, I may say, have you read the syllabus? Because chances are the information that you need is actually in the syllabus or on the Start Here page. So be sure you do everything on the syllabus and Start Here page before you contact me. You also have a course syllabus, a course schedule, and again, this will change each semester, but this tells you your assignments and when they're due, so I recommend you print your course schedule off. And then you also have a communications policy, and this will change as well. Just make sure you open up and read about the communications. It tells you how soon to expect me to reply to emails and get your grading done and things like that. It also says let's use good etiquette, so don't use your slang and text speak or profanity. So we're all professionals here, so just take a second to read the communications policy. And I've also got the course objectives. These are found in the syllabus, but sometimes students want to go back and make sure that they're learning what they need to learn for the course. And so these are the goals that we have for the course on these course objectives. So I've put them in a separate link so that you can refer to them as needed. All right, so let's go back to the Start Here page. We've read the syllabus, we've read the course syllabus. Now we want to take the quiz. So you simply click on the link, you hit continue, and you read the question and you answer it, and you hit save answer, and you go all the way through till you finish the questions. Okay, once that is submitted, then I will get an email and I will see that you've done it, or I get a notification that you've done the syllabus quiz, and I can then mark you present. So make sure you get that done within the first week of the semester. And you'll have a deadline in your Start Here page. Again, check your specific Start Here page for your specific course deadline for your syllabus quiz. All right, the next thing is there's a little introduction about the instructor. You're welcome to watch that. It also has your information on how to contact the instructor. For the course, we use course messages, so this is not the same thing as your campus email. This is an email system within Blackboard. And to do that, you just go up to course messages. And I want everybody to do this. So you'll click into course messages, you'll say create message, you'll click to, and let's just, I'm going to send one to me. Let's see, here we go. And then we're going to say da 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 da, and then something 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 about me, and then submit. And so I want you guys to send that to me and everybody in the course. I want you to introduce yourself to the course in this very first email. And that way I know that you know how to do it, and we can all learn about who is in our classroom. And so this is a great place to collaborate. So if you're confused about something, use course messages and email your classmates and me, and somebody hopefully will answer back to you. Obviously, if it's a personal question or grades, just include me. Don't email your entire class. We also have a discussion board, and so you can use this as well for collaboration. So you click on the discussion board to the left. That will open it up. You can introduce yourself to the class there. You can ask questions about how to navigate Blackboard, how to navigate mastering, unit questions, exam essay questions. So these are there for you as well. All right, let's go to the Start Here page. Here is your textbook, and so your textbook information is here. You can either buy it online at Mastering, so you can go to the Mastering website and buy it directly, or buy it from the campus bookstore or offsite at Amazon or someplace like that. You have to have an access code, so new books come with the access code as well as the e-text. So make sure you have an access code to get into your homework. Once you have your textbook and access code, you'll go to Mastering and you'll log in to your online homework site. And there's a separate video that will show you how to log into Mastering and how to use Mastering. So I'm not going to do that now, but you will watch this next video. You don't need to buy anything for PowerPoints. Everything you need for taking notes is located in the course. I will show you where that is. You have an online lab guide, and you can use this as reference. You don't have to print it off or anything, but you're welcome to open it up. I've taken pictures of all the models and labeled them, and I continue to work on it. So every semester it gets more and more, bigger and bigger with more and more labels. So this is a resource for you as you're studying for your lab. We have testing policies, so be sure to open this. You must have your exam proctored, either at the testing centers or at home using a webcam. So be sure you read this. If you're going to test from home, then within the first week of the semester, you need to go to Web Proctor Demo. It will walk you through the steps of how to set up your webcam, and then you will take a practice quiz, and when I get that, I will make sure that everything's working. I will send you a course message, and then you'll know that you've been approved for testing. So make sure that everyone reads the testing policies and make a decision if you're going to test at home or come to the testing centers. All right. Technology. So if things aren't working, hopefully this page will help you find out information on how to get some help for your technology. If not, you can always have make a phone call to the Calhoun help desk or email them. I am not technical support, so make sure that you contact the proper IT people if you're having issues. Okay. We also have a ready to get started video. So at the very end of the Start Here page, you can watch a video on how to study and how to prepare for the course. All right, so let's continue with the navigation. So once you've done the Start Here and you've learned about everything that and how to get set up with the course, the other things that are on the left-hand side, there's another link that has faculty information. Again, we've got your course messages. You've got this is where your grades will be. You have a calendar in here. You have your resources. This takes you to the library. You have student services resources, and all your resources are here. But what you need to do is go to content, because you want to start learning stuff. So in the content area, it's going to give you a brief how this works. So you basically have these units. You have 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're divided into sections. Okay, I've also included this folder, and this is if you're new to college or you're not sure how to study. It's got some really cool videos, and you can watch those if you would like to. But you guys want to click on Unit 1, And you'll have course objectives. It'll tell you how we're going to grade each unit. It'll tell you what to do and what's required. You've got study guides, so you can just simply click on these and open these up and download your study guides. You want to use a combination of your learning objectives and your study guide. So print off your learning objectives and your study guide as a way to make sure that you're covering everything that you need to cover in the course. Once you've done that, you'll click on the first week, and all you do is click through. Okay, so you just simply read everything, click to the next page, read it, click to the next page, and then you're going to get to the actual content. And for each video, you can download notes pages, okay, or you can download the actual PowerPoint. If you would rather have the actual PowerPoint, you can download the actual PowerPoint, okay. You have links to the video, so if the video is not playing for you directly in Blackboard, if you click the button and it doesn't play,
Hello, my name is.
then you may want to try clicking on one of these links. Okay, I've tried to put as many links and different ways for you to watch it if you're on a tablet or Chrome or Firefox or whatever. Okay, I find Chrome works the best, but for some people that may not be the case with their computer. All right, so you simply click through these videos, and after every couple of videos, you're going to find a review. So reviews are not required, they're just optional, but they're ways to make sure that you're following along. Then you'll watch another video and another video, and then you're going to come along to these quizzes. And these quizzes are review quizzes. Again, they're not for points, they're just to help you see how you're doing. So you would just simply click it, open the quiz, and see how you're doing on that material. Okay, so that's how these are set up. So you have 2 sections per unit, and each section takes about a week. Now if you're in a short semester or a summer semester, it'll be these weeks will be more like 2 or 3 days. So again, check with your semester, check with your course calendar, and see how long you have to do each one of these units. After you finish each unit, you go to your mastering, and again, you've watched the video on how to do mastering, and that will show you how to get into your homework. There are additional reviews. You can click on these, and these are just reviews. They're like practice tests that you can play with, not for points. They're just for you. And then you have your exams. Okay, so you can't open the exam unless you're at the testing center or at home with a webcam. So once you've read the testing policies, you'll know how to access your exam. So every unit is set up the same way. You've got a introduction to the unit, and you've got 2 sections, and then you have your exams. And there are 5 units for the class. All right, so that is a quick orientation on how to navigate everything. Again, there will be another video on how to navigate mastering, and then another video on kind of how to plan your study. So what do you actually need to do in order to be successful in the class? Okay, that's all I'm going to talk about now, and thank you very much.